Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to create a board, list, and card on Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tasks, and collaborating with teams. So, if you're looking to get started, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by creating a new board. A board is essentially the main workspace in Trello, where you organize your lists and cards. Log in to Trello account. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on your dashboard. Click it, and a window will pop up asking for the board's name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the project you're organizing. You can also choose a background color or image if you want to customize your board's appearance. Select the visibility option, public, workspace visible, or private, depending on who you want to have access to the board. Click Create Board. Your new board will now be visible on your dashboard. Next, let's create a list. Lists are the columns inside your board that help organize tasks into different stages or categories. Inside your newly created board, you'll see an option that says Add a List. Click on that option and give your list a name. For example, you could name it Waiting, In Progress, or Completed to track different stages of your tasks. After creating a list, you can visually differentiate it by choosing a color for the list's background. This can help you keep track of different stages or categories at a glance. Now it's time to add some cards. Cards represent individual tasks or items within a list. Inside the list you've created, you'll see an option that says Add a Card. Click on that option and type the task or item you want to add to the list. For example, if your list is Waiting, you can add a card like Tech. After typing the name, click Add Card. Your new card will now appear under that list. You can click on it to add more details, such as descriptions, due dates, attachments, labels, and checklists. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a board, add lists, and organize your tasks using Trello. With Trello's simple yet powerful features, you can manage your projects and collaborate more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.